In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses in a batch in QuickBooks Online Advanced. If you're entering multiple expenses at once, using batch transactions can save a lot of time compared to creating each expense one by one. QuickBooks Online Advanced gives you a simple grid where you can add several transactions in a single workflow, which helps speed up data entry and keeps everything organized. To get started, go to the top left corner and select New. From there, choose Batch Transactions. Once the Batch Transactions window opens, look for the Select Transaction Type drop-down menu and choose Expenses. This tells QuickBooks that the rows you're about to enter should all be recorded as expense transactions. Now click into any field on the first line to begin entering your data. You'll fill in the key expense details directly into the grid. This includes the payee, the payment account, the date, the category details, and the amount. As you enter each value, make sure the information matches your records so your books stay accurate. The grid format is designed to make repetitive entry faster, so once the first line is complete, simply move to the next row and repeat the same process for each remaining expense. After all your expenses have been entered, take a moment to review everything carefully. Check that the payees are correct, the right payment accounts have been selected, the dates are accurate, the category details are appropriate, and the amounts are entered properly. When everything looks right, select Save to record the batch. There's also another option if your expense information already exists in a spreadsheet. Again, start by going to New and then Batch Transactions, and choose Expenses from the Transaction Type menu. Before pasting your data, look at the Type field and choose the layout that matches your spreadsheet. You can toggle between Category Details, which is useful for flat-rate expense entries, and Item Details, which is better when you're working with specific products or services. Next, arrange your spreadsheet so the columns match the exact order of the QuickBooks batch grid. This is important because QuickBooks will paste the data based on position, so matching the column order helps avoid errors and keeps the import clean. Once the columns are aligned, copy the data from your spreadsheet and paste it directly into the first cell of the QuickBooks batch grid. After pasting, review the data closely for any formatting issues or misplaced values. It's always a good idea to do a quick visual check before finalizing anything. When everything appears correct, click Save. And that's how to record expenses in a batch in QuickBooks Online Advanced.